The very word secrecy is repugnant in a free and open society.
The truth of your world government has now been exposed.
And we are, as a people, inherently and historically opposed to secret societies, to secret oaths.
We know you are ruthless. We know you are evil.
We decided long ago that the dangers of excessive and unwarranted concealment far outweighed the dangers which are cited to justify it.
Today, the Rockefeller, to the Rothschild representatives here, to the Queen of the Netherlands, to all of you, we tell you, you are not our queens, you are not our kings, you are not our gods. We do not belong to you. We are not your slaves.
There is little value in ensuring the survival of our nation if our traditions do not survive with it. And there is very grave danger.
We will defeat your world government. We will defeat world taxation. We will defeat your control grid. God is on our side.
That an announced need for increased security will be seized upon by those anxious to expand its meaning to the very limits of official censorship and concealment. And so it is to the printing press, to the recorder of man's deeds, the keeper of his conscience, the courier of his news, that we look for strength and assistance, confident that with your help, man will be what he was born to be, free and independent.
The answer to 1984 is 1776.
And as the weaving spiders spin their web of death across the globe, the victims of deception will be met. Awaken now and reclaim what's yours. Your freedom is at stake. It's time to bite the hand that feeds before they seal our fate. I see a time when the sovereign states will die, and what that means to me and you, from the guise of a massive global lie. We are the pawns of indentured servitude, awaken from the slumber, the matrix you collide. The system is a travesty, the world order lies. The only hope lies in our consensus, not of left or right. Sever the ties of blind loyalty and see what's in plain sight. I see a time when the sovereign states will die, and what that means to me and you, from the guise of a massive global lie. We are the pawns of indentured servitude.
Now we can see a new world coming into view. A world in which there is the very real prospect of a new world order.
President Bush said, a phrase that I often use myself, that we needed a new world order.
We've got to give them a stake in creating the kind of world order that I think all of us would like to see.
I think the new world order is emerging.
We have a real chance at this new world order. An order in which a credible United Nations can use its peacekeeping role to fulfill the promise and